Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accountancy. 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 Accountancy is a noun that refers to the profession, practice, or field of accounting. It encompasses the principles, methods, and processes used to maintain financial records, analyze financial data, and prepare financial reports for individuals, businesses, and organizations. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Sound accountancy practices are essential for the success of any business. Why accountancy is used in example number 1. Accountancy emphasizes the importance of using reliable accounting practices in business operations. It highlights the role of financial management in achieving business success. Example number 2. The accountancy department is responsible for preparing the annual financial reports. Why accountancy is used in example number 2. Accountancy refers to the department or function responsible for preparing financial reports and maintaining financial records. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.